My name is Dr. Miriam O'Duill, Assistant Professor of Organic Chemistry at the University of Nottingham. Our primary research objective is to develop methodology that allows us to take small molecules, for example, waste products from industry such as alkenes, and then build up the complexity that's necessary in high-value products, for example, for applications in the pharmaceutical industry. Our aim is to do this in a sustainable manner, so we investigate catalytic methods, we investigate transition metal alternatives to build up that complexity and create valuable resources in a sustainable manner. I'm the kind of person who loves to ask questions, and I don't enjoy standing still. And I think that's what really inspired me to pursue a career in chemistry. There's always more information to learn. You never stop asking questions, and really important questions that can benefit society. And that's what I really enjoy about the area that I'm in. The kind of chemistry we do, so far my research has focused a lot on transition metal catalysis, so using metals to synthesize small molecules. And at the moment we're now trying to move away from metals a little bit. We still love metals, we still use them a lot, but we're trying to move towards more sustainable alternatives because there are some issues associated with metals, such as their sustainability, where we get them from, their toxicity and their cost. So what we're looking into at the moment is, can we use iodine as an alternative, oxidize the iodine up and then get almost metal-like reactivity. One of the favourite aspects of my job is really interacting with my research group. We have weekly meetings where we discuss our research. I have one-on-one meetings with my researchers where we really dig into the details of what they're working on, possibly the issues they're facing and how we can overcome them, but also the successes they've had in the previous week, and then we plan for the next week. In terms of research philosophy, I really highlight to my students that it's worth tackling difficult questions that may have the possibility of failure, but the sense of success and achievement is just so great when you do overcome those challenges and you do find a solution to that big problem that's really worth answering. During a master's here, the students will also learn very valuable transferable skills. For example, in our group meetings, students present their research, so they'll get important communication and presentation skills. And we also have a researcher academy that offers students the possibility to further deepen their transferable skills and really strengthen their employability once they finish their degree here. We've got great labs here that our research group works in. We've got all of the analytical facilities that we need. For our research in particular, that's NMR, mass spec and X-ray crystallography. And these analytical techniques really help us study the reactions that we're carrying out, the products that we're forming, but also some of the reaction intermediates that allows us to optimize the reactions that we're carrying out. Additionally, we've got a very supportive and collaborative research community here, which is very important. Engaging with people in other labs allows us to explore our ideas, develop new opportunities and possibly answer questions, bigger questions that we wouldn't be able to answer just on our own. My name is Dr. Miriam O'Duill and I look forward to welcoming you at Nottingham.